So from the left, I take the hair, and then from the right, I take the hair. I'm gonna take some hair and grab and section that off. And that hair that I grabbed, I'm gonna join it with the hair on this side and then bring it to the right. I'm gonna grab, bring it to the right. I'm just grabbing from left to right and adding it in the braid. I'm gonna control the hair by gathering everything together. I'm gonna grab hair on the left, bring it to the center, and then so I'm bringing the hair from the right to the left. Don't really pay attention too much to the center. Just focus on bringing from right to left and from left to right. And while you're bringing from right to left and left to right, so I'm gonna bring this hair that's on this side to the left, but I'm gonna grab some on the right side and take it with me and trail myself as I go along. So now I'm grabbing hair from the left and I'm bringing it to the right. And now I'm grabbing hair from the right and bringing it all the way over to the left. So it's like a crisscross motion, but because you have 3 strands, one strand will definitely end up in the middle. Don't focus too much on the middle. Focus primarily on left and right. So you're grabbing the hair. When you begin, you're not going to be so accurate and so neat with it. However, you want to make sure that as you improve, you're grabbing it from the roots to make sure that it's nice and smooth. But when you're practicing, you don't want it to be as perfect. You want to just get the method and the concept in place. So again, I'm taking hair from the left, and literally I just take about 1/2 inch in width, and I grab it and bring as much as I can where there's enough control between the middle finger and the index finger, and then between the thumb and the index, should I say. This is not the most solid, but we're gonna work with it. Grab the hair and braid. There's absolutely no product in. This is just technique. With product, it looks a little bit more neater, more polished. However, technique is super crucial when you're learning the concept. So we're gonna take hair from the right and bring it to the left. And now I'm taking from the left and I'm bringing it over to the right with the hair. It's not gonna be as neat. It's not gonna be as polished when you're beginning, but over time you will pick up the concept. Bring from the right, bring it to the left. Now we're getting closer. The width is a little longer, but you're gonna practice the same technique. Keep in mind, you wanna control where you're keeping that braid. That's another thing separately in another video. The most important thing is getting the technique down. So you're using your index finger and you're pinching and you're grabbing, because pinching and grabbing is going to help you to maintain that control. Control over positioning the hair and control over gathering the hair so that it's all neatly packed in and you get the results that you want. This is not the best mannequin stand, but we'll work with what we have for right now. And just continue braiding. Grab all the hair that you can, continue braiding. Pinching gives you the best control. That's why for me personally, I like holding it with my index and my thumb, because it gives me the best control with my fingers. And then as I get to the nape and I'm gonna work with the ends, I switch my hand around. So I flip my hand around, but I'm continuing to pinch with the index and the thumb, and I'm doing a regular braid. And we're gonna finish it off, and I'm making sure that I'm gripping the hair so that there's really good control so it doesn't loosen. So not because you get to the end you want to kind of relax on it, you want to maintain that nice secure finish. And I'm just braiding all the way to the end, just like that. I keep going until the hair runs out of my fingers and it slips out, but I'm pinching, so I'm making sure that I can get as much as I can, and then I can secure it with a rubber band. But these are the results of what you would get when you're doing this look, just like that.